Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M13 and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So just let's first open again Muviz Edge application. After that, we have just selected this stem. Let's just use the first one. Click here to apply. Here we can change the backgrounds of this stem. For example, let's use this one. We can here hide music controls after 10 seconds or just to don't hide them. We can also show incoming notifications from different applications. We can show the date and battery status always while charging and just to don't show it. Okay, let's activate it, battery status. After that, just let's switch AD to the settings section. Click here. Now we can also switch here to show AD always while device charging or when we'll play the music. We can use these two features together or just separately. We can change here screen timeout from 1 minute just to never. We can decrease or increase the brightness level, and also we can close by double or by single tap the always on display on our device lock screen, and you can also close this or the AD with a fingerprint if you just set up your fingerprint to the scanner. Also, we can here set the shadow, the start and the end time of to show the always on display feature. So that's it. That's how to customize always on display feature on our Samsung Galaxy device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.